What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Escape remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Ford Escapes that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and now I'm going to use this emergency key to pop this back cover off. So taking a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is put my key in that notch like that. Then I'm going to angle up and push up on the back cover and pop that off. And now we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or even something like with a point on it. It just needs to be able to fit in that little notch right there. I get my screwdriver in that notch, and it'll allow me to get under the edge of the battery and get the battery out. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck that outer edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And now we'll put this back cover on. And if you notice on this part of the back cover, there's a little bit of a tab right there. I'm going to start that part in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.